Here are 50 daily use sentences using I should have. 4 general mistakes. 1. I should have studied harder for the exam. 2. I should have gone to bed earlier. 3. I should have eaten breakfast. 4. I should have called my parents more often. 5. I should have saved more money. 6. I should have exercised more. 7. I should have been more patient. 8. I should have listened to your advice. 9. I should have been more careful. 10. I should have apologized sooner. For missed opportunities. 11. I should have applied for that job. 12. I should have traveled more when I was younger. 13. I should have taken that opportunity. 14. I should have invested in that company. 15. I should have learned to play an instrument. 16. I should have spent more time with my family. 17. I should have said yes to that invitation. 18. I should have bought that house. 19. I should have taken that trip. 20. I should have learned a foreign language. For social situations. 21. I should have been more polite. 22. I should have been more understanding. 23. I should have been more supportive. 24. I should have been more assertive. 25. I should have been more honest. 26. I should have said something. 27. I should have given him another chance. 28. I should have made more friends. 29. I should have kept in touch. 30. I should have been a better listener. About health and wellness. 31. I should have quit smoking years ago. 32. I should have seen a doctor sooner. 33. I should have started eating healthier. 34. I should have exercised more regularly. 35. I should have gotten more sleep. 36. I should have managed my stress better. 37. I should have taken better care of myself. 38. I should have stopped drinking so much. 39. I should have visited the dentist more often. 40. I should have given up sugar. At work and school. 41. I should have prepared better for the presentation. 42. I should have asked more questions. 43. I should have managed my time better. 44. I should have taken on that project. 45. I should have negotiated a better salary. 46. I should have been more proactive at work. 47. I should have paid more attention in class. 48. I should have studied harder for that exam. 49. I should have graduated with a higher degree. 50. I should have started my own business sooner.